So we about to get her shut down for the night. As you can see, park for the night. Lot is full. So we're going to turn on the optimize idle. Turn that on. Turn on my comfort. I like it cold. And let this window up. Get these curtains closed. Of course, I gotta let this down because it won't close. That is down. The truck is gonna go on and off by itself. We're gonna get our curtains closed up in here. Don't need nobody watching you. Close this up. I'm gonna turn on some light before we shut it all the way up in here. Get it all closed up. So now that we're closed in and got our clock set on sleeper berth, which means the truck won't be moving no more tonight. I like to, this is my time to keep my truck clean. It's a good time. Because when you're riding off throughout the day, no time. It's still a bad spot for the camera. It's not sticking. Let's hope. Anyway, as you can see, my floor is a mess. So, I get all my trash together. I bought me one of these to cook. And my trash for yesterday and today goes to the dumpster in the morning. So, I always put my trash in my chair, in my seat, my extra seat. Gotta get my cleaning supplies, which I have awesome, and this is to shine my floors, and I have smell good. Gotta keep my truck clean. So I'm gonna clean up my truck. As you can see, there's a mess up in here.